Hey guys! In this video, we are going to play with 3 Bizzy Bubs doll sets. This one's Poppy. She likes to crawl. Here's Gracie. She comes with a crib. The third Bizzy Bub is Swirlee with her cute baby carrier. Now let's see what they can do. Here's Poppy. You can turn her on with the switch on her belly. Press the button on her diaper to make her start crawling and dancing. Press the button several times to make her giggle. Now let's give her the bottle. Oh, she farted. We will try to put her to sleep by giving her the pacifier. Shh, she fell asleep. Swirlee likes to play peekaboo like a real baby. She also comes with a bottle and pacifier and even a cute baby carrier. Pressing the button several times will make her giggle. Now let's give her the bottle. Let's put her to sleep. She sings too. Gracie loves to sing and dance like a ballerina. She comes with a crib, bottle, and passy. She bounces up and down like a real baby. Let's feed her her bottle. She gets sleepy if you give her the passy. Which Bizzy Bub is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.